Why is ChatGPT so bad at math? Hey, I'm Marina, and I spent my whole career in technology with AI. And today I want to talk specifically about why we've seen ChatGPT fail so many times at, well, quite simple, not arithmetical, but quite simple math tasks. Okay, if you know anything about ChatGPT, you need to understand that ChatGPT is a trained model. Okay, what that means is that it was primarily designed to train and trained to understand generated human like text. So it was trained on a lot of large text database from the internet. So its main focus is to understand language, generation, asking questions, but not solving mathematical problems. The next reason why ChatGPT is so bad at math, it also because I have the suspicion that it does not contain a calculation module. So language models may have a lot of modules inside or components if you think about it about language, how to interpret language, whether it's asking a question or a statement, how to provide an answer, how to structure the answer so that it is most user friendly and most readable, right? But it does not have what is called a calculation model or a math module in itself. So unlike specialized calculation software, ChatGPT doesn't simply does not do this. Its algorithm is not designed to do this. As a result, it obviously has struggled with complex calculations. Another interesting fact about ChatGPT is that it has token limitations. Tokens is basically like how the model divides a problem, which is right now text, how the model divides the text so that it can solve the problem, right? And so you can see how to be extremely precise at math, you may have numbers that are extremely long, and tokens are usually of a specific size. And so if the token is too short or the space in the token is too short for a long number, it will definitely round wrongly, if that makes sense. And so there's a token limitation in ChatGPT based on how it was built that does not allow for more complex financial problem solving. Last thing, also related to the training data, is that when we think about the data set that is on the internet, is mostly like conversational humans to humans. There's not a lot like text in on the internet that talks about um, that it solves actual math problem because we would go to a calculator or we go to other software for those type of things. And so it's not only a problem of the it doesn't have that training objective, so it was never trained for it, but also think about the source data. The source data does not contain a lot of this type of mathematical um, solutions. And so basically, it's limited on by the diversity and quality of the mathematical content that is part of the training data itself. So you get it. ChatGPT is not great at solving complex mathematical problems, but that does not mean that in the future we could potentially augment ChatGPT to include a module that may contain some type of mathematical component or calculation component. I think this could be very interesting for the finance industry, for example, and for answering questions about profit and loss for companies or financial statements for companies. I look forward to actually getting this solution, a solution to this problem, because it actually solves. I wonder how they're going to solve it because it actually goes. Those are two different, very, very different problems in terms of like understanding language and solving math. And so I wonder how we would incorporate it. I wonder how it's going to be solved and how they will work together. Um, just interesting from a tech perspective. By the way, I'm Marina, and I have two courses coming out. One on Happy High Productive Team, in which I teach how to create and or continue to build happy high productive teams. And another one that it will coming out probably by summer around technical product management in AI, in case you're looking to sharpen your skills or develop a career in technical product management. I look forward to seeing you. Please follow me for more content like this.